Hello friends, in this video you'll make yourself acquainted with LPUnest My Exam interface. In the first step, you need to enter the URL myexam.lpu.in. After that, you need to enter username and password as mentioned in your registered email ID and then click on the login button. After the successful login, you need to click on the Test tab to proceed to the next page. Here you can see your test name and you will see a blue color Open Test button. Click on this button to proceed to the next page. This is an environment check window. Here you can see you need to achieve green ticks for all these options mentioned in front of you: operating system, browser, audio, webcam and microphone. At present, in the demo, the current window, operating system and browser is green tick, but audio, webcam and microphone is pending. We need to ensure for a successful environment check, all 5 green ticks should be obtained for your system. You also need to ensure a proper light so that your face should be detected clearly. For microphone check, you require to speak some words. Fluctuation of green bars indicate operational microphone. Now click on the check audio button to check the audio of your system. Now you need to click on the play button. If you hear sound, then click on the yes button to proceed. Now you can see all 5 green ticks have been obtained. After that, you can click on proceed to test button to proceed to the next window. After the successful environment check, you need to wait for some time for the proctor or the system to validate your environment. By the time the proctor or the system is validating your environment, you can read the journal instructions. Do not attempt to navigate away from the test and refrain yourself from minimizing the browser window because it will automatically log you out of your test. You also need to join audio and share webcam to unblock your exam. After adjusting yourself, in front of camera, please make sure that your full face should be visible. Next, you need to click on the start test button to continue or start your test. This is your test screen, in which 4 sections you can see. In the upper left corner there are 4 sections, and in the upper right corner you can see the test time left. This is section 1 of your test. You can also click on the journal instructions if you want to read it again. Click on the close button. There is a zoom in, zoom out option also available for your convenience. In case the question text size or image size is small, you can zoom in, zoom out as per your choice. Choose the option and click on the next button to proceed to the next question. In the test screen, an option for mark for review and next is also provided to mark the question to review later. You can also click at jump to button to navigate between the questions. So you can see there are different color codes for not visited, visited, attempted and mark for you review is present here. Click on the close button to go back to your exam screen. Click on the next button to attempt your exam. You can click on this icon to chat with the examiner only if you have some issues or concerns related to your exam. This window will appear in which you can write your issues, concerns in the chat box. After writing your concerns or after your concerns being addressed, close this chat window to switch back to your exam screen. This is very, very important. Please take care of this part. Now click on the finish button if you have completed the exam. This is the test summary sheet. And after you click on the finish button, click on the green button to submit exam successfully. Click on go to home page. And finally, you can click on log out.